Ready to transform your finances from chaotic to completely controlled? Let's dive into the premium features of EveryDollar and show you how to supercharge your budgeting game. Starting with linking your bank accounts, tap the Connect Bank button located on the dashboard or navigate to Settings, then Connected Banks. Search for your bank, enter your login credentials securely, and authorize EveryDollar to access your transaction data. This automates expense tracking, saving you precious time. Now head over to the Transactions tab. You'll see all your transactions automatically imported. Simply drag and drop each transaction to its corresponding budget category. The app learns your habits, making categorization even faster over time. Next, let's set some goals. Tap Planning, then Goals to establish your financial aspirations, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or building an emergency fund. EveryDollar Premium helps you visualize and track your progress. Want to see into the future? Use budget projections to forecast your income and expenses for the coming months. This feature allows you to anticipate potential shortfalls and make necessary adjustments proactively. Finally, unlock advanced reporting to gain deeper insights into your spending habits. Identify trends, pinpoint areas where you can cut back, and optimize your budget for maximum impact.